Hello students, you are watching PRS Biology. Today I am going to discuss with you about the structure of human ear. Let's see. The phonoreceptors, that is ear. The human ear. So first of all, the ear is universally regarded as the organs for detecting sound. However, in higher forms, it also detects position and acceleration. That is, then act as an organ of equilibrium and thus performs dual function of equilibrium and hearing. So, the ear in mammal is divided into three parts. That is, the external ear or pinna. It is the external ear or pinna, and auditory meatus or auditory canal. The pinna is a structure of cartilage and skin present in the head. The auditory canal is extend from the ear hole and to the eardrum or tympanic membrane. The middle ear is a small chamber which is always filled with air. It communicates with the pharyngeal cavity by eustachian tube. It communicates with the pharyngeal cavity by eustachian tube. The eustachian tube remains closed and normally open during swallowing. It maintains the air pressure of the middle ear cavity at equilibrium with the atmospheric pressure. The tympanic membrane from the outer boundary of the tympanic cavity. The third most important part is called the internal ear or the membranous labyrinth. So, in human ear, the internal ear or membranous labyrinth is the basic organ of hearing. So, the internal ear comprises of two parts, the vestibule, it is the vestibule, and the cochlea. It is the basic organ of hearing. The vestibule consists of three semicircular canals and two small sacs. The small sacs are utriculus and saculus. These two sacs are responsible for the sense of equilibrium. The cochlea is a spirally coiled chamber and is connected with sound reception. So, sound from outside travel through this and it passes to the cochlea. So, it is the main hearing organ of the internal ear.